In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OnTheClock's paid time off calendar on a web browser. First, you'll want to start by logging into your OnTheClock account. Then go ahead and click on the PTO icon up top and then choose PTO Calendar. Under Status, you can go ahead and make sure Pending has been checked off. You can also check off Approved as well as Denied PTO requests. Feel free to filter through the different months to view all the PTO requests on your PTO calendar. You can also filter by specific employees or departments as well with our filter options here on the left-hand side. If you would like to change the view from month to week, you can also do by day as well as list if needed to. If you want to go ahead and start over, click on the reset button here and you can start your PTO calendar search again. If you would like to review a specific request, feel free to click on the request. If you need to edit a request, just click on the request here and then click on the edit pencil to edit that request. Next, just click on the undo. Go ahead and continue with undoing the PTO request and make the edit as needed. Once you've updated the PTO request, go ahead and reapprove the PTO. If you have any other questions about the PTO calendar, feel free to live chat with us or send us an email to support@ontheclock.com.